East and west have no meaning. If you go beyond boundaries, boundaries have no meaning. If you stay local, boundaries are real to you. Boundaries are there. When if you stay local, if you go beyond the earth, above the earth, then there is no east, there is no west. All these boundaries are for local people. Not for an astronaut. In which plane you are living? It is the question. In which phase, in which dimension you are living? It is the question. It is the meter reading. Just like all other people, if you stay local, east and west are there. If you go high into the space, your dimension changed. In that changed dimension, there is no east and west. Just like that, if you live like all the other people, all the people are thinking that they are their bodies. You are also thinking you are our body. Just change it. Go above. Go above the dimension. Go above this plane. This is normal plane. You have to go beyond the normal plane. You have the idea your body, how can you overcome your doership? You can never overcome your doership. When will you realize yourself? It is the very first question. It should be, it must be the very first question. Are you your body? It is the first question. Who are you? It is the first question. If you do not solve this question, you will fall into all the sins, all the sorrows, all the frustration, all the depression. First solve your own question. That is your own question. Who are you? That is the first question. First solve it. Then go to the other question. Do not go to other questions without solving the first question. Why? This very first question solves all the problems. If you do not solve this question, first question, you will enter into a magic. If you solve this first question, magic will dissolve. There will be no magic. If you do not solve this first question, then you will enter into a magically worldly life. All the worldly life is magic. Magic, worldly life's magic seems to be logic. Your brain, your mind is also false. If you have the body, then you will have a brain. If you are not your body, then where is your brain? Have your brain? No. If there is no body, there is no brain also. If there is no body, there is no question of mind also. First realize it. Try to solve this fundamental question. Are you the body? Who are you? Without solving this question, don't enter into other questions. You may not get immediate answer. But still, you have to look at it anytime. Always. Always look at your own self. Who am I? As long as you are in the vacant state, not in the dream state. If you are in the vacant state, from 4 to 8 or 4 to 10, you are awakened. You are not sleeping. All the time. You have to look into it, into that question, only that question. Who am I? Who am I? It will take time, but surely you can arrive at a good solution. What is that solution? You yourself notice it. All the jnanis, Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, or Nanagaru, or beloved Sadguru, all the jnanis are saying, you are not our body, you are not our body. Please realize it. Please look at into yourself, own self. It should be just like a hunger.